Alright, before we get into the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to Nike, the shipping department. I don't know who's ever in charge over there at the Nike headquarters. And thank you for finally giving us an unbranded box. Right here, look, no Nike branding, which means this box most likely won't get stolen. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome. And if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And for today, we have a quick sneaker unboxing. I am just getting off of work, so I am a little tired, so sorry if the energy is a little lacking, but I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible because I am super excited about what is inside of this plain box that Nike sent me. So inside the box we have a pair of sneakers that I have been looking for quite some time. Now this pair has recently come out in 2016/2017 and earlier 2013 as well. So we see this pair about every 4 to 5 years, give or take here and there. And I'm super excited I was finally able to add this shoe to my collection, because for some reason in the beginning, once the shoe releases, the shoe doesn't go for anything, but for some reason a year or two after, this shoe tends to skyrocket and goes for about $400 to $500 after that. So enough of me talking, let's get into the box. And like I said in the intro, guys, I am so happy that Nike is going with the unbranded boxes. I was so tired of seeing Nike tape written all over the box, Nike on the side of the box. I'm really excited about that because now FedEx is less likely to steal my packages. And let's get it. Let's get the first look. I was able to hit this for retail on the sneakers app. A lot of places did have this shoe still sitting on their website, so it wasn't too difficult of a cop. You know, pretty easy for me to get this pair. So let's go over the box. We have the OG Nike box, the same box that a lot of Nikes have been coming in, and more recently the Air Jordan 11 Bread came in the same exact box. So we got that cardboard outside, we got the black Nike check, red outlining right here, black bottom, you know. Let's get that size tag right here. I did go with a size 11. Now I am a little nervous because sometimes Nikes do run a little small, and I kind of wish I would have went with 11 and a half, but hopefully this 11 will fit me. But like I always say, we're not here for the box, we're here for the shoes. So let's get that first look. We have the traditional paper right here, and as we get the first look, I'm getting it with you as well. Bam, the Air Max 97 Silver Bullets. Alright, so we have the Air Max 97 Silver Bullets. This is probably one of the most classic Air Max 97s, and in my opinion, probably the best colorway for an Air Max 97. So let's go over some of the materials and color on the shoes. So for the uppers, it is mixes of mesh, plastic, and the 3M material. As you can see, it is an all silver shoe. It has that reflective 3M with the subtle red Nike check right there. So as we move our way to the midsole, we have a white and clear midsole, white right here, and then we have the translucent air unit right there at the bottom. As we move to the outside of the shoe, we have more black and white colorway going throughout, and we do have some hits of red at the bottom. Now right here in the middle portion of the shoe, we do have a red embroidered Nike check, which I do love that detail. So for the pull tab right here, we have Air Max written in silver. For the sock lining, it's a black cotton sock lining. And for the insole, we have a black insole with a silver Nike check. As we look at the tongue, we have more of that 3M material and an all over mesh tongue. And then we have the red Nike swoosh right there at the top. And for the laces, we have the traditional silver rope laces. And one of my favorite details on this pair is if we look closely at the back of the midsole, we have an imprinted Nike check right here at the bottom. I love the little details like that, and when Nike gives us little Nike checks, beautiful. And probably the most predominant feature on this shoe is the 3M upper. Yes, the shoe is basically entirely all 3M. We see that going through the side panels. We see that on the tongue. And when you take a picture of this shoe with the flash on, your shoes light up. Now if we're going to talk about quality on my specific pair, Nike isn't known to have the best quality control, and I actually do see some flaws on here with some glue stains, some color marks, and some inconsistency in the mesh, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but hey, what can you do? Nike quality control is ass. Now let's go over pricing. So retail for this shoe was $185, and after taxes I paid $199. Now when you go on GOAT and StockX, that's basically what the pair is going for, right around 200 bucks, and some sizes a little bit less. Now if you were looking to flip this shoe, I would definitely say this shoe is a long-term hold, because for some reason with this pair, a couple years from now, they always shoot up to about $400 to $500 right before we see that next release. So this is definitely a long-term hold if you're looking to make some money off of this shoe. But for me, this is going to be a personal pickup. I'm so happy I'm able to add this shoe to my collection. I love the colorway, and Air Max 97s are super comfy. And as you guys know, on this channel we give every shoe a rating, and if I had to give this shoe a rating from 1 to 10, I'm going to give this shoe a rating of a solid 8.8. Yes sir, this is really high on my list and definitely one of the best sneakers to release in 2022. Alright, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button, and if you are new here, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to put both of those links down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join the Discord, I would really appreciate you guys joining up on my Discord, where we talk about sneakers and fashion. We're gonna continue to grow the community over there, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that join up. Alright guys, it's been your boy Tim. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.